portal. Here we are at Kings Island in Cincinnati, Ohio. And what a beautiful day to visit. Now this is not opening day. This is Sunday of opening weekend. We were going to come this opening day. However, the weather, well, if you're in the area, you know it was calling for rain all day. So we skipped yesterday and planned on coming today instead because we knew the weather would be much better. So there's lots going in the park this year. We had the new Phantom Theater, of course, but we have a lot of other things like the Beast. Part of that was retract. We got some new food offerings and lots more going on. So instead of standing here talking about, let's go inside the park and check it all out. All right, right off the bat, before we head into the park, I just wanted to show that they did add on to the preferred parking. That over here by that fenced-in area, that's the original preferred parking area. Now you come through this little toll thing here. They check your pass, and they got a whole nother area over here. So it looks like they more than doubled the size of the preferred parking, which is a great thing. That was a big concern for a lot of people. So I'm glad that they addressed it. All right, the wave swinger isn't quite ready. Why they actually call it the Zephyr here at Kings Island. So the Zephyr isn't quite ready to go for the season yet. You can see they have it about half assembled. Okay, right up here at the front gate, the KI Essentials store has underwent a remodel this year, and it looks beautiful. Much better than before. Now, before the registers used to be right over here. Now they got them tucked away over here in the corner, kind of in the wall there, so it makes more sense, and it's a lot more open in here. They do sell some of the Kings Island swag in here, like these shirts and hats. They even have some books. We've got keychains, buttons, all kinds of cool things here. A lot of keychains. If you're looking for a Kings Island keychain, here you go. We also have things like cooling fans, hats. We got some plushies over here. We got lollipops, candy, Dippin' Dots. You also have some refrigerated drinks there you can purchase. And some more Kings Island stuff over here, including Kings Islandopoly right there as well. So there you go. You got some Sweet Spot cotton candy. And again, there's the register over here. So we have some shorts and some hats and some jewelry. And we do have these refillable mugs that you can purchase here too for $8.99. Refills all day. So there you go. That's a look inside the new KI Essentials store, right at the entrance of the park. If you're walking into the park, it's just to your right. All right, right over here near Diamondback's final little turn, you have something called the Snake Pit Saloon. And here's some of the drinks that they specialize in. We got the Rattler, Southern Snake Bite, Blackberry Venom, and more. So if those sound good to you, check out the Snake Pit Saloon right over here underneath Diamondback's turn. All right, if you see these footprints, you know where we're going, to the Beast. I'm really excited about this. They did a lot of track work over the off season, and I'm really anxious to check it out, see how it runs. So let's go check out the Beast. All right, we have a totally new entrance for Fastlane. Located right when you enter the line, you'll see a tunnel that says Fastlane on it, and it takes you around this way, so it's not as congested as it used to be, which is a big change. This is good. And I also see some new wood over here on the decoration on the side of the Beast too. All right, just got off the Beast. Matter of fact, our last ride of the night here, and wow, what an improvement. Drop going down in the Helix is like all brand new. There's a couple other spots in new track throughout the ride as well. The trims did really hit hard though, I will say, which is kind of unfortunate. I was kind of hoping when they redid the track that maybe they'd ease off on the trims, or better yet, even get rid of them, but that's not the case. They're still there. What a great ride. There's still a couple rough spots here and there on it, but overall the new sections of track that they put in, absolutely remarkable. They did a great job. So kudos to the Gravity Group. And I can see him doing a little bit every year on this coaster to make it even better than it is. So there you have it. That's the Beast at Kings Island. All right, right here at the Miami River Brew House, they have a couple new items available on their dining plan. The Pimento BLT for $18.29, or included on the plan. Know by that M right there. And they also have a Big Mac dog right there as well. That's included on the dining. They also have a caprese flatbread bread that is not on the dining plan, but they do have it available here. All right, we're here at the Brew House. Went with the pub burger. Looks pretty good. You get 2 patties, you get cheese, and you get toppings as well. And then it also comes with tater tots. So this looks pretty good. I'm going to dig in and I'll let you know how it is. All right, just got done eating my burger here at the Brew House. It was okay. It was cooked a little bit too much. It was like it was burnt. But other than that, it was good. The tater tots were delicious. So really like it here in the Brew House. You can watch your favorite sports. They have a bar in here, lots of seating. And it's the closest thing you'll get to a full service restaurant in the park. So check out the Brew House. We're right across from Mystic Timbers. There's a pretty decent crowd here for opening weekend Sunday. I mean, it is quite overcast and that, but at least it's not raining. It is dry, so that's a good thing. Of course, the water ride's not quite ready for the season yet, but it will be in a couple weeks, I'm sure. All right, if you're a fan of Skyline Chili, you'd be happy to know that they offer chicken chili now at the Skyline location inside Kings Island. So that's exciting. All right, and speaking of Skyline Chili, they now have their own dedicated, like, little covered food area here right behind it. So those signs are new this year. Very nice.
All right, future me just stepping in for a quick second. A couple things we needed to add to the video. The Monster did reopen this weekend, so that's exciting. Also, Vertical did not reopen this weekend. However, the train is back in the station, and it looks like they're in the process of assembling it. One other footnote I wanted to add was it's the Carousel's 100th anniversary. We never did make it over to ride it, unfortunately, but I will make sure to do it next visit. And wow, 100 years, that's a long time for a ride to be at a park. So next time you visit Kings Island, make sure you make your way over to the Carousel. And one more thing I wanted to add in here before we get to the Phantom Theater is they do have some new flavors of fudge in the sweet spot, like Popcorn Bucket right here is a really good one. We bought some ourselves.
Alright, they got all kinds of Phantom Theater gear here for you to purchase if you'd like. You got hats, you got keychains, you got some magnets right here as well. And we've got some t-shirts here for 30 bucks, and they even have a nice hoodie here with this design. These are 54. So my favorite thing is this cup right here. I really like the colors on there. We got a throw blanket and a tie-dye as well. So you can find this stuff in this little booth right here, located right next to the entrance of the attraction. Alright, here we are in front of the Phantom Theater opening nightmare at Kings Island. We're going to go inside and take this new dark ride for a spin. Let's go.
Alright guys, the color of your numbers is the color of your flashlight you're going to use to help Maestro.
Please remain seated, keeping your hands, arms, and legs inside the opera box at all times. And please, watch your children.
Welcome, fellow ushers. Remember, all the world's a stage. Are you ready to be an usher? It's 10 minutes till showtime. Are you ready to be an usher? It's 10 minutes till showtime. Rehearsing. Oh, Mr. Maestro, it's 10 minutes.
Those ghost notes gotta go. Hey, we need some light in here. These lights ought to get rid. Go away, ghost notes.
Well, back in work, and the show starts in 1 minute. Oh boy, I gotta hurry. The maestro's starting.
Help! Get these ghost notes out of here! Help! Get these ghost notes out of here! and watch your step as you exit to the right.
All right, that's gonna do it from Kings Island opening Sunday. We got a lot done today. It was reduced hours, so we weren't able to do as much as we wanted to do, but we still got a lot done. The park is looking good. There's a lot of new little things scattered here and there, including a new gift shop, you know, the retracking on the Beast, and of course the Phantom Theater, which was a lot of fun. We really enjoyed that one. It was a great makeover to that ride. I'm glad they did it. So we really enjoyed ourselves. So that's going to do it here from Kings Island. I want to thank everybody for watching and remind you, please don't forget to hit that like and subscribe button downstairs, as it really does help us out, and we really do appreciate you for doing so. So until next time, we'll see you out on the midways real soon.